In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Google Ads report in Looker Studio so you can clearly track and analyze your ad performance. Start by opening your web browser, searching for Looker Studio, and logging in with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create, then choose Report to start a new report. When the Add Data to Report panel appears, look for the Google Ads connector and select it. You may be asked to authorize access. Just click Authorize and continue. After that, choose the Google Ads account you want to analyze and click Add to Report. Next, choose your report layout. You can go with responsive layout for flexible viewing or free-form layout if you want fixed positioning. You can also rename the report by clicking on the default title at the top. Now it's time to build your report. Add visual elements like scorecards, tables, and charts to display key metrics such as clicks, impressions, cost, and conversions. To make the report more interactive, add a date range control so viewers can easily switch between time periods. Once your report looks the way you want, you can share it, invite others to view or edit, copy a shareable link, or embed the report on a website. And that's it. You've successfully created a Google Ads report in Looker Studio, giving you a clear, visual way to monitor and share your advertising performance.